idiot who has got a group of people that help him restore this bus. That is the bus that I'm on now. A lot of you get this confused, a lot of people haven't got this confused. This is my vehicle. This is my B10 BLE from National Express, Dundee. It's been with John Dix, A-Line Coach and a few others. So this is my vehicle. I am Jordan. I am a coach driver now. I've been on the buses now for this is my 4th year being on the buses. I've 3 years with Stagecoach and now I've moved on to Selwyn's on private hire. That's like that. So what are you going to be seeing on my channel? Well, you've obviously got these B10 projects videos. There's also a whole host of route videos, and if I get a chance to do them, I do them also in this to keep adding extra ones to it. Not always possible. Fueling for one of these is, well, the fuel bill's expensive. A bit like trying to fuel a house. So that's what you can expect. I'm trying to also introduce a blog to doing the coaching side of things. A few experimental things with that. Just need to have a play. But that is what you can expect. I am big on pleasing and accepting requests from just about everyone within reason of videos they'd like to see and stuff that would help them, etc, etc. Recently I've acquired a very good new friend who has been helping. He's cleaned the vehicle, parts of the vehicle, mainly around the cab, and he helped build the cab door, which is at the side of his now, which is a work of art. Absolutely better than the original. So with that, we are slowly over the next few weeks, months, and in the upcoming time, going to be pulling the bus to bits, putting it back together properly, cleanly, and in a manner where we'll be proud to show it off. Our main goal is, at the moment, this bus is blue on the outside and it should be red and white with National Express. The rough price for doing this is going to be about £2,000. We are looking at getting that, but we have got other things that are important first. Like we have an oil leak, we have a coolant issues, not so much anymore, but we've been having them. So funds are extremely tight. For this I have Patreon as well. Patrons get a bonus of videos. We are now working at getting this much better now, so they've got a bigger bonus of videos to choose from and have. Falling over at the back there. I do live streams every now and again where you can donate via super chat. We also have, if you'd like to donate, you can donate at admin at Mancbuses.com via PayPal. Do it on there as well if you want, and do it without having to type it all in, and so I pay the fee basically. In the link below you'll see a Streaming Elements link, which is streamingelements.com/something. If you click on that, that'll take you to Streaming Elements' site. You don't have to be a member to do it or anything like that. You can give there via your PayPal or by credit or debit card, whatever, and I pay the fee. You get a proper receipt, everything like that. Obviously I prefer if you're a Patreon. You could do it for like $1 a month, which is a great help, really. And all that helps us get more and more content and more upload with this. This is our first project. I do hope in the future to be able to get a building on my own, to be able to store this in, because at the moment, as you can see, I'm out in the yard. You see out the window because these lights are long term, depending on how all this goes, we'll be looking at getting something like a little Dennis Dart or something like that, and that will become a camper van project. Regardless of its history, it'll become a camper van project. So that's all I can really say about all this. Just there's other people that are involved in this as well. You may see in the comments some people may reply with an O. There's an O, a D, a K. I'll always put dot, J, or which our first name's initials. This so we can keep track of who you are. If you want to address a specific person when you ask a question, just type their initial in, and whoever sees it will forward it on to say, hey mate, you've got a comment that you need to answer to. We do try and check daily, but obviously it's not always possible. So we also have Facebook, which you can always see scrolling on the side of the bus. If we actually just jump outside for a minute, we have all of this here. When it finishes scrolling along, and it's really annoying me because that camera's not level. We have an Instagram at Mancbuses, you can find me on there. We have more photos on Facebook, which is facebook.com/Mancbuses. Usual stuff, get rid of it. You can follow us, Preserve This Bus on YouTube. It says Mancbuses, subscribe to us on YouTube, don't forget to press the bell, obviously. And that is basically what that scroll says. It's always normally the site / Mancbuses. Obviously National Express Dundee as well. So as you can see, the outside is blue and it is a bit worse for wear. But for now, I'm going to go because the light is really disappearing now. I'm soon it'll be dark. I don't like the dark. I'm scared of the dark. So I'm going to go now. I'm going to get home. Now I've done what I needed to do here today. And I'll be back at weekend to do more. I say weekend, it's whatever my weekend falls on. If you think you can be a help, just comment below or send us an email at admin@Mancbuses. That's admin@Mancbuses.com, and we can talk about how you might be able to help us. We are looking for certain expertise at the moment. Whether you want to donate your time or just help us would be great. Coming up with some prizes and bits and bobs like that. We are looking, mainly at the moment, we're looking for body panel experts. Say experts, it's just metal, aluminum if you're in America, sheets. That is our current page. And probably will always be our page. But if you've got any expertise, let us know. As I said, in the email. And